All right, guys, it's a beautiful day today. What do we have in front of us? An Indian. Nice looking bike, Springfield. I'm gonna do a quick 0 to 60 pull, then go on a little ride and show you guys around. We're just gonna roll into it and go. I know it probably wasn't fast on the launch. I kind of didn't just dump the clutch like I should have. I kind of held on to it and let it out slowly. If I would have tried it again, could have did a better job with that. Let's look at that Camaro. Man, it feels so good out here tonight. First of all, guys, if you're new to the channel, my name is Tall. I ride a 2019 Harley-Davidson Street Glide that is now a Zippers Performance 124, making 150 foot-pounds of torque and 130 horsepower at the rear wheel. So we have a Street Glide over there. Is that anybody I know? You doing all right?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right. What was I saying? Oh, yeah, that's what I was telling you. Now I have the best of both worlds. I got something where I can get out and ride long distance, and man, there's a lot of people down here tonight, and still have fun at the red light. And it's not, let me go this way too. So what I was saying was that I want to keep the bike reliable, still good to take it on some road trips. You can build a monster to the point where you can't do anything, where you can't ride it just for ripping and not really touring. Just cruising around downtown, it's not really doing nothing for me. I just wanted to see what was going on. So now we're gonna get on the interstate. Let's do, yeah, let's just go. When I got the opportunity to come to Zippers Performance and for them to build my motorcycle, man, that was an opportunity that I couldn't pass up. My bike was being built right beside where the cams and all their parts were being made, right in the factory. That's where my bike was being built, and I had a chance to film it. If you haven't seen that, check that out, guys. There are several videos in that series, so check that one out. I need gas. Okay, I'll get gas. Now this is the third set of exhaust I've had on this bike. Had the stock, of course. I had the Matazus. A lot of people came to the channel looking at that, the Matazus that I've had. They were inexpensive exhausts that I had on my stock bike, and they sound good. Had those on my bike first, then I went and got the tabs. And then the tabs, I love those tabs. They looked awesome. You can hear them on the channel too. They had the 4.5, I had 4.5 tabs, nice hex cut tips on the back of it. Nice. And they sounded totally different than these. They were really raspy. They had a raspy sound, but they were just the slip-ons. I didn't have the full exhaust. So when I got the D&D, I got the full D&D exhaust all the way through. And a lot of people ask me, why didn't I go, oh man, I better get off here and get gas. Let's see. A lot of people ask me, why didn't I go with the 2-in-1? Well, I always liked the 2-in-2. I had the drop-down bags with the cutout, and I didn't want to put a dummy pipe. So I went with the 2-in-2. We got 2 merging into 2, coming back out into 2. If I lost anything by going into a 2-in-2, very little, but I don't think I lost anything at all. I have torque from the beginning all the way to the end. I can't stand when you get gas on your motorcycle, so I do this. I take it and do it this way, so you don't drip gas on your motorcycle. Helmet's hanging right there, but let me show you the motorcycle. So we're off again. The D&D 2-in-2 XCAT exhaust. I think they sound great. See, listen to it. It just sounds good. What everything was tuned with was the Thundermax tuner. Thundermax tuner is a full ECM. You take your ECM out and you put the Thundermax tuner in. It's not a plug that you plug into your ECM, a piggyback or a reflash of your ECM. My stock ECM is in a box at the house. You can have the biggest kit with the best flowing exhaust as you want, but if you don't have the right tuner with the right map on it, you don't have nothing. Nothing. Those guys at Zippers Performance, they take care of everything from start to finish. They take care of everything. Zippers Performance is the way to go, and it is available at your local motorcycle shop. Most Harley-Davidson dealerships carry Zippers Performance stuff. So I made it down to the park, so let's walk out here. Beautiful. One thing that I didn't talk about, I'm gonna get back on the bike and we're gonna talk about gas mileage. So we're gonna talk about gas mileage, what I get per gallon. Let's see if we can do the math here. I got a 6-gallon tank, and on a road trip, headed down to Daytona, I got around 220. So that's a little better than 35. What do you say, about 37? Something like that. 37 miles to the gallon. And that was not babying it. So I believe if I were to keep it down to 70 miles per hour and not blasting off and all that type of stuff, I believe I could get back up to 40 miles to the gallon. And that's good. Now around town, you can drain it. You can get down in the 20s. If you ride it like that, you're not going to get the best gas mileage. What's going on at Dairy Queen wrapped around the building? Haven't had Dairy Queen in a long time. And I'm going to end this video here. I want to thank everybody for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you learned a little bit more about the motorcycle. A lot of people ask because they see these videos and they come in on the latest video and there's a lot of things that's happened on the bike. If you click on YouTube, you may only see like 10 or 15 videos unless you click on the videos tab, where you'll see over 100 videos. Yeah, there's been a whole lot of stuff done to it. Seats, bars, paint and interfering, all kind of stuff. Even suspension, O-link suspension. So check those videos out, guys. I'm going to end it here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If it's your first time on the channel, comment and let me know. Hopefully you subscribe. I want to thank you for watching. And guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when there's more videos uploaded. And thanks again for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, have a blessed day.